Now, those are little chickens. You gotta be quiet around them or they start running. They're not the big kind of chickens, so they're not really. That one's the rooster. That one that you just now saw on the screen. And then that's the brown hen running. And then the rooster, he's not really that dangerous, but he does try to act like he will protect the family, but he won't. 'Cause he has 2 wives. You see how he puffs up his feathers like that? He's like, that is my family, and you're not touching them. Whoa. See? And he attacked Rowdy, which for my baby brothers, I'm kind of making this for them. So, like, they have something to look at, because most of my baby brothers, like Gunner and Mason and Rowdy, they really don't have any electronics, so it's really good. Well, so it'll be nice for me to make them a video. See how close you can get to them? Like, it really looks a different... Did you see that, Nina? Well, did you hear that? The chicken attacked me. It attacked me.
Which chicken?
The rooster.
Why?
Just ran up to me.